Welcome to Lavanya's computer classes. In this video, I will explain important questions of STM, software testing methodology. This is in CSE, third year, second semester. So I will explain the important questions in STM. So we have 5 units in the STM, like in all the subjects. First unit 1 is only introduction. What is testing, model for testing, and consequences of bugs, like that. So in this, what are the important questions? Means explain about life cycle of a bug. So what is bug? What is the life cycle of a bug is important question. And what are the structural bugs? Explain. This is everything is coming in the unit 1. Next, similarly explain what is bug. Explain various kinds of bugs. So what is bug? Various kinds of bugs is important question. Next, testings. What is meant by integration testing and what are the goals of it? So why are you using the testing? What is the integration testing? Different types of testings are there. In this, what is the integration testing? What are the goals of it? Next, second test is what is path testing? Give a note on path selection and predicates. This is also important question. And here already I said what is testing, explain different types of testing. Next one is state and explain various dichotomies in software testing. This is also important question. This is also coming under introduction chapter. Next one is explain path predicates. This is also important question. Read all these questions in unit 1. And in some path instrumentation is there and path sensitizing is also there. Just read what is a path to path testings. Okay. After that, go for unit 2. In the unit 2, the concept is transaction flow testing. So in this transaction flow testing, first we go for what is the question means discuss flow data flow testing and its strategies. Next one is define domain testing, types of domain testing. Because in the unit 2 we have different types of testings are there. Transaction flow testing, data flow testing, and domain testing. So many different testings are there. So distinguish between control flow and transaction flow. Next, explain different transaction flow testing techniques. Like go for control flow, different techniques are there. Read anything. Write about nice and ugly domains and explain about interface testing. These are the important questions in second unit. Now we'll go for important questions of unit 3. Unit 3, 4, 5 and small units. In the unit 3 we have logic based testing and regular expressions. These are the 2 chapters are there. So in this, what are the important questions mean? So briefly explain about regular expressions and flow anomaly detection methods. So this is important question. What is regular expression? How to write the regular expressions? How to find out flow anomaly detection? Next important question is what is KV chart? And draw KV chart for 4 variables. In this we are getting some numerical problems also. Check it once, the numerical problems also. Next one is explain about decision tables. Decision tables and path expressions, reduction procedure applications. Those are also important questions. Check it once. Reduction procedure applications. So these are the important questions in unit 3. Next, unit 4. In the unit 4, one very simple unit this is only state graphs and transition testing. So in these questions are what are the principles of state testing? Discuss its advantages and disadvantages. State testing and advantages and disadvantages. Explain about software implementation of state graphs. What are the good and bad state graphs? And give some testability tips. How can you check testing? For that, what are the tips you have to follow? So these are the important questions in testability tips. And the last important unit is simple unit only, graph matrices and applications. In this we just read describe the mean processing time of your routine with examples and discuss about matrix representation of software or explain about node reduction algorithm with an example. And explain what is the structured and unstructured flow graphs with example. These are the some important questions in software testing methodology, and sometimes you'll get problems also, numerical problems. Check it everything and read well. Thank you.